Hello, friends. This is Becky with Becky Budgets. Just wanted to go ahead and come on here today as I am a day behind on doing our week 2 of January budget. It's also week 2 of 2023. So let's go ahead and get started. The paycheck that we're going to go ahead and budget is my husband's paycheck on January 5th. Which is also my birthday. And that's awesome. So let's go ahead and write in our inflow. The only income that we are expecting this week is my husband's paycheck. And then I always put a spot for savings. We've got the average or minimum amount that my husband would get paid weekly to $650. I'm not planning on using anything from savings, so our inflow total this week is going to be $650. Moving down to our fixed expenses, the bills that we have this week are going to be PostNet, which is like our P.O. box, or not ours, it's my P.O. box for Becky Budgets. And then that is due on the 5th. Let me see. I was going to forget to write that the way I like to. So that's due on 1/5. My husband's Southwest through Chase, which is due on the 8th. Our cell phone, which is through T-Mobile, which is due on the 9th. And then the Chase Freedom, which we are pulling up to this check, and that one is due on the 12th. PostNet is about $9.99 a month, so I'm going to go ahead and budget $10 for that. Southwest is $158. T-Mobile is a set $100, and then the Chase Freedom is $118. When I add those 4 bills together, that gets us a total of $386. When we take that away from our inflow, it's going to leave us with $264. As I had mentioned in last week's budget, my plan is to go ahead and put $100 every week for food. Currently, we have 2 of 5 already accounted for. So this is going to be the 3rd of 5 weeks that we're going to save $100 for. Gas, pets, hubby, me, eating out, and miscellaneous have already been met. So when we pull that $100 down and take that away from our leftover, let me just make sure that's in frame, it's going to leave us with a leftover of $164. Pulling that leftover over, we are going to go ahead and fill our sinking funds. So medical is going to go ahead and get its $25, vet, household, car maintenance, and gifts will get $15 each. Vacation gets its $5, renter's insurance and car registration get $3 a piece. And then we put $4 into emergency to round all of that up to $100. $100 away from our leftover is going to leave us with $64. Let's go ahead and pull that down. As always, I do these 2 sections out of order. So I'm going to go ahead and write snowball since it's going to get any overage that is left over. We do have to account for my husband's 52-week challenge, which goes towards moving. And then since it is ends in 50 cents, I'm going to go ahead and put a spot for buffer so that we can go ahead and zero out. So the 52-week challenge for week 2 is going to be $26.50, which means that we're going to go ahead and put 50 cents into the buffer. That's going to give us a savings total of $27. Now, moving back up here, we know we need $27 for our savings. So 64 minus the 27 that we need for savings is going to leave us with $37 for our snowball. 64 minus the 37 equals the 27 that we need in order to get that zero-based budget. As always, my friends, let's go ahead and do the math. So we've got an inflow total of $650 minus a bill total of $386. The 100 that are going towards food minus the 100 going towards our sinking fund, the 37 going towards our snowball, and the 27 going to savings. And yes, my friends, that gets us to that beautiful zero-based budget. I hope that each and every one of you have an amazing first week of the year. I do go back to work tomorrow, and I'm hoping that my husband's paycheck does post on Wednesday, as I'm not sure what we have planned on Thursday for my birthday. So we will see. My friends, take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.